I think the best possible outcome happened today. It was a dream and it's just come true, you know?
Is that the Abominable?
But for Scotty Lago, his jaw wired shut just 3 weeks ago.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Jazz Gullemond sand shirt.
Let me show you my six-pack.
Who's that chick? Oh my God.
Her hair is so flowing.
It's the redhead.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm back at Winter X and I'm in good shape.
And on to his first Winter X Games gold medal.
She's just a dominator.
Oh, big crash. He's all right.
There it is. Switch 1440 from Alex Schlopy. Here is Bobby Brown. There's the switch double Misty. Look at that.
Styly and stomped. And McMorris right next to his best buddy, Sebastion Toutant. Oh my God, Sebastion Toutant. There it is. Oh, going for the triple. There is first ever landed triple court X Games history. I love my job. I love my job. Oh my gosh. Daniel Bodine, how do you learn something like this?
The end is coming!
We're gonna lay out and watch a victory lap from Kelly Clark. Oh, it fixes it up. That was it. Look at the girls, they're so stoked for it. Dawn, a subpar performance in slopestyle. Did not make it out of elimination into the final. Oh, and there's the double. Nikki putting it down into the backside rodeo. My goodness gracious, what about that run? And that is why he is the man.